Your ATM is going to have problems. The operators who stay profitable are the ones who knew that before they responded, because the machine issue is never just the machine's issue. It affects transaction, it affects customer confidence, it affects the store owner's trust, and if it happens at the wrong time, it can wipe out some of your best earning days. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most common ATM issues and what they actually cost you, and how real operators handle them. Let's start with the keypad issues. If the keypad fails, the machine is dead. There is no workaround. Sometimes it's damaged, sometimes it's wear, sometimes the battery just went out and it's dead. Sometimes the hardware errors are tied to the keypad itself. But if there's a real problem, every day that machine is down, you're losing transactions, and more importantly, you're losing trust at that location with those customers. This is why parts access and response time matter more than people think. Second, software. This is the part of the business most people ignore until it becomes a problem. Then all of a sudden, they need support. And the first thing that they hear is the machine is outdated and unsupported. Operators who stay ahead of software updates prevent problems. Operators who ignore them create downtime that's never needed. If you already have machines out and want stronger support behind them, check the processing link below. A lot of downtime problems feel worse than they actually should because you don't have a system. That's why I always say ATM is not the business, the system is. Third, card reader issues. This one is dangerous because it starts slow. Cards don't read right, transactions fail occasionally, customers try twice and then stop using it. Now your numbers start dropping and you don't even realize why this is happening. You just start losing transactions. This is not just a hardware issue. That's lost revenue every single day. Number 4, dispenser issues. This is where things get obvious fast. You start seeing rejects, you start getting jams. Now the machine is failing at only job it has, is to dispense cash. And here's the big mistake. Most operators see early warning signs and they ignore it for too long. When the dispenser starts wearing out, it will tell you. The question is whether you act on it early or you wait until it costs you real money. Fifth, small stuff. This is receipt paper, cleaning, basic maintenance, blowing out, cleaning the sensors. This is where a lot of operators get sloppy. Individuals, they just don't think it's a big deal. But when it all stacks up, the machine starts to feel unreliable to customers and they stop using it. And perception matters. If people think it doesn't work, they'll stop trying. That's the biggest lesson here. Most operators don't lose money because something's broke. They lose money because they had no real system for what happens next. No parts plan, no backup strategy, no real support, no back-end visibility, no operating system behind the machine. If your support is strong, problems get handled fast. If your system is weak, every small issue turns into a bigger one. So yes, your ATM will break. That's normal. The real question is, how are you going to handle the response time and what are you going to do about it? Are you building this like a casual owner who reacts late, or are you building it like a real ATM operator who plans for downtime, one day at a time? So if you need better processing, better support, or you're looking for machines that actually fit into a real operating system, use the link below and start here.